top 4 side hustles you could do right now using your iPhone. Number 1, Airbnb. You got an extra room in your home that's not being used, or do you have a home that you're not using right now? It's not rented out or anything like that. Well, go ahead and take high-grade pictures right on your iPhone of the home. Download the Airbnb app right now. Put your home on the Airbnb app and start making money today. And it's easy as just putting it up there, and Airbnb is going to push it out to potential clients who needs a room. There's plenty of people who need just a room to stay in. Go ahead and rent it out to them for 3 days, up to a week, up to even a month at a time, and continue to generate extra cash flow right on your iPhone. Number 2, Turo. We've all heard about this before. You got an extra car you're not using. You got a vehicle that you're financing that's sitting most of the time. Well, go ahead right now. Take high-grade pictures of it on your iPhone, download the Turo app, put the pictures on the Turo app, and start today renting out your vehicle to potential customers and clients who need that. They're in town for vacation. They're doing different things, and they just need it. There's some people, actually, their cars aren't working right now. They could use yours. And you could make a daily rate on this every day and continue to attain additional income, monthly income, weekly income even. So let's go ahead and do that right now on your iPhone. Number 3, photography. There's businesses actually that are looking for services like creating digital artwork or flyers. Take these high-end pictures for them or create flyers using Canva. It's that easy. Download Canva now. Use Canva as a tool to make additional income doing things for potential businesses all around your city. So there's no excuse for you not to be doing that right now using your iPhone. Number 4, equipment rental. You bought a bunch of equipment during the pandemic and it's just sitting on your floor or in your garage. Why do that? Let's go ahead and take that equipment right now, take high-end pictures of it, and use that right on Square Invoice. You could go ahead and download these pictures, let people know that you're renting out your equipment, whether it's lighting, tripods, cameras, different studio type equipments that people want all the time. They need it. So go ahead and rent those out today using your iPhone on things like Square Invoice.